So the main focus of the company at the moment on the technical front, we have to fly this year. So we're busy completing the last of the key elements of development to get the aircraft into the air. In terms of our physical growth, then we're consolidating 3 of our factories into our first full-scale production centre. So we're aiming to move into that in Q2 this year. And then in terms of the commercial side of the business, we need to dramatically increase our headcount to get the engineering program over line, and then to really start investing heavily in the approvals. Some of the things you just have to accept are a job for tomorrow.
And obviously you've gone through the inevitable challenges that many manufacturers had with COVID and supply chain problems. How has that, well, I'm assuming, has that affected you at all in terms of your development cycle?
So it was a very intentional move for us to vertically integrate and to go through the pain of having to learn how to manufacture every single element of this aircraft, so that all that comes in through the front door is raw material, and then we do everything else. So as long as I can get my raw materials and I can get my manufacturing processes automated to the extent that it minimizes the number of people that we need and it minimizes the skills that those people need, I'm in as robust a position as is humanly possible to be able to make high-tech products in the UK. And so the effect of COVID on us has really only been that the cost of raw materials went up a little bit. But if you look at the cost of raw materials compared to the sale price of the aircraft, it's such a tiny proportion that you really don't feel it. Whereas if all of a sudden I couldn't get my left-handed widget and that stopped the production line, you've turned my revenue off.